Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am coming to you today to show you the winner of the coffee paper pad and ephemera from last week when I did the Drink the Coffee card on both the Not Too Shabby channel and Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. And so I am going to spin the wheel and announce the winner. Congratulations to the winner. And all of these people are people that commented on both channels. And I just appreciate you watching, and I hope that you will stick around for today's Not Too Shabby video. I couldn't get it up yesterday because my power went out. We were having a little rainstorm. I don't know. There wasn't anything else with it, but our power went out. So I have a video showcasing a brand new product that Not Too Shabby is coming out with. Kind of an example, but you'll see. So I hope you stick around, and congratulations to the winner. Thanks so much. And congratulations to 11 crafty cats. My email address will be in the description box down below. Please email me and let me know that you were the winner, and give me your name and address, and I will get your prize off to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. And I am back today with a special Not Too Shabby video. I want to tell you all about a brand new little subscription that Jamie is launching in the store. And I have made some cards. I will insert a picture right up here that will show you a close-up of this little collection before I started using it. So anyhow, I have taken a little collection. If some of you may know, if you don't, I'll just give you a little backstory. I owned Scrapping for Less and had a couple of different monthly subscriptions. And one of my subscriptions was a mystery subscription. Well, I have lots of those little collections left over. And so I have donated them to Jamie, and she is going to have this mystery subscription. And then once they all run out that I've used, then we will be manufacturing some brand new stamps to go in them. So anyhow, in your mystery collection, you will get 6 pieces of paper. You'll get up to 3 embellishments. One of them could possibly sometimes be a die. And you will get either a 2x3 or a 3x4 stamp set. So I have made some cards to show you exactly how many cards you can make. Well, not exactly. You could probably make more, but I have made some cards to show you kind of an example of what you could get. Now, please remember that what I have used is just an example. I took a mini collection and I've used it, and I didn't even use one of the embellishments that came with it. It just didn't fit what I was doing. Now, for most of my cards, I've taken a sheet load of cards, and I used the December 2020. If you're not familiar with sheet loads, the designer of the sheet load of cards is Call Me Crafty Owl. I will link her YouTube channel down below. She is also on the Not Too Shabby design team. So she has her hands in lots of different things, and she does some fabulous work. But if you're not familiar with sheet loads, I will link her channel down below so you can check her out. She asks that you are a subscriber to her channel to be able to download the sheet loads. I will also link the mystery collection subscription down below, as well as Jamie's shop. Now those links will be affiliate links. So anyhow, let's get started and I'll show you the cards I've made. I made this, this was my scrap card, and I made this with the scraps I had left over after I made my sheet load cards. I have used this little stamp set that was in a collection. It was in one of our flavor of the month kits, and then we had some collections left over. That's how I got so many different leftovers. And this one was called Cookie Mouse. So I've taken Cookie Mouse and I've colored him up with some colored pencils that I just recently got. I'm still testing them out. And so colored him up and used the elements of the kit. This kit came with 3 little mice dies, some twine, which that's the one thing I didn't use, the 6 pieces of paper, and here are some of the papers, and some sequins. So this was my scrap card, and then these are my cards that I made with the sheet load. I have something on the inside of all of them, as well as the design on the front. Put some sequins. I put some little mice die cutouts on some of them. And I used various sentiments. This one says, if you give a mouse a cookie, and he's got a cookie over to the side here. This one says, I like you more than cookies. And I colored up my mouse, in different colors, a brown tone or a gray tone, and then I colored the overalls up in some different colors as well. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to read you the sentiment. This one says, I like you more than cookies. This one says, you're my favorite. Without you, I would crumble. This one ended up being my favorite color combination. That's why I did 2 color combinations of that one. And then my last one says, some days require cookies. So I made, with those 6 sheets of paper, 6 cards, and this is what I had left over. Now, I could kind of, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could take these 5 little pieces, and I probably will, so that I'm not just throwing them away. 5 little pieces, and make a little flag and put them on the insides of my cards. So, with a little mini collection, look at what you can get. 6 cards ready to either mail or donate or whatever you do with most of your cards. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching today. The subscription information will be listed down below, as well as Jamie's shop. She has lots going on. A brand new digital image came out today, as well as the box of the month that was just released a few days ago on the 1st. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.